Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X8A and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So in this video I'll show you two different ways, and let me start with a quicker one. We have to open the dialer. Let's open the dialer. Of course tap on the keypad and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. So let me tap on OK and let's try another way through the settings. So this way will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work. So we have to open the settings, then let's scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. And now we have to localize the IMEI, and as you can see, fortunately we do not have to enter any other sections. The IMEI numbers are right here. They are listed. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.